Hey guys, it's Steve with West Coast Boat Center again, and we're going to show you some basic functions of the stereo. So obviously we'll have the battery switches on. We'll turn it on. It comes to this default setting. This button here will always take you to all your options. And this is the dial that'll move around. And as you push the dial, it's how you select each feature. The most commonly asked question is, how do I connect my phone to Bluetooth? So again, from that main screen menu, we can dial over from AM, FM, auxiliary, but most of us are in the Bluetooth mode. So we select that, and then we hit our input, go to connections, make sure it's on discoverable. Once it's in discoverable mode, it'll show up as MSRA670. Select that on your phone, and now we're paired. From your main menu, you do have a settings tag you can go down to. Our advice is that you leave that in its factory mode. If you do lose Bluetooth for some reason, you can go to settings, scroll down to source, go down to Bluetooth, make sure source enabled is checked and auto connect is checked.